Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a watch list on forex.com. Creating a watch list on forex.com is a straightforward process. Open your forex.com application or website and log into your account first. Once logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the watch list tab at the bottom of the screen. This is usually on the main dashboard or in the sidebar. After you do that, go to the plus button right next to My Watch List at the top and tap on it. Now, in order to create a new watch list, you will need to provide a name for your watch list. Give your watch list a name according to your choice and click on the Create button in green. Now you will be able to create a new watch list. You can now add instrument to your watch list by tapping on View Markets. Select the instruments you would like to add to your watch list and then swipe left on the watch list that you want to add and then tap on Add To and select your new watch list from the menu and click on Done. Repeat this step for any other instruments that you want to add to your new watch list. And then that's how you easily do it. Now, the added instruments will appear in your watch list section. So that is how you easily create a new watch list and add instruments in it in just a few simple steps. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Trading for Beginners for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.